This new feature 2024 tutorial video will teach you how to use the new Gantt chart in 4D simulation. In Fuzor 2024, the Gantt chart is more sophisticated. You can easily identify the parent and child tasks to be able to communicate clearly to your team. The objective of this tutorial video is to add 4 child tasks under the cement task. In the 4D simulation, you can now select to edit either macro or micro tasks. Since we are adding 4 child tasks, make sure to select micro. Next step is to click the cement task. Then click here, create children under the selected task and transfer links to them. Type 4, then click OK. Now notice in the Gantt chart that the parent task will turn to color black, and now you can clearly see which child tasks are under it. So when you want to look for this kind of task, you can easily distinguish them. Thank you for watching the video.